Hi, Juergen here, Oscar Echo 4 Juliet Hotel Whiskey. Recently I tested my FX-4CR in FT8 and as expected the radio got quite warm. So I grabbed into my treasure box and I found this heatsink from an old NVIDIA graphics card, and I like to install this to the radio. It's a bit too wide, so I have to cut a piece off, and then I will use this double-sided thermal tape to install it to the rig. Back in the shack, I've already disassembled the FX-4CR partly, and here is the heatsink. So after cutting and painting, it doesn't look too shabby and it will fit perfectly on the top of the radio. What I have to do now is to apply some thermal paste very gently, not too much. I cut off a little piece of a cardboard to spread this a little bit better. Let's put this thing back together. First of all, let me screw the top screws in again. Okay, looks nice, it lines up very nice here. So let's clean the surface and then we will use the double-sided thermal tape to put this on. I don't know what this window here is for. Somebody told me that's for Bluetooth, but there is no antenna below, so I don't know. And as I do not use Bluetooth, Okay, not perfect, but good enough. So let's align this carefully and then let's put it on. I think this looks good. Yeah, perfect. Let's put this on. Not too bad. It's perfectly aligned. And here we go. And finally, this is how it looks like. I think it's not too bad at all, because I found other videos on YouTube in which heatsinks are installed on the FX-4CR. But to be honest, these installations all looked ugly. So next time I do FT8 with this radio, I will measure the temperature. 7-3 folks, thanks for watching.